Troop 61062. I'm Georgia.
I'm Harper.
And I'm Jennifer. We are working on our Silverwood project, which includes finding an issue in our community, making a plan to solve that issue in our community, and then taking action and improving in our community.
The issue in our community we chose is the problem of stray cats.
We partnered with Raw Cats, an all-volunteer-based organization that tries and reduce the number of stray cats in our community by TNR, which is Trap, Neuter, Release, and educating the community or people that don't know about it.
Raw Cats provide sustainable, insulated, safe shelters. Today, we're going to show you how to build this.
You will need a styrofoam cooler. This will be stuffed with straw, which helps keep the cats warm and dry. You can usually find these for free at your local restaurant or hospital.
You will need sharp tool like scissors or a styrofoam cutter, duct tape, preferably Gorilla Tape because it works better, and a contractor bag. You will also need straw, but make sure it is straw and not hay.
To start, cut a 6 to 8 inch hole on the long side of the styrofoam cooler.
Tape the lid to the styrofoam base.
Now, you put the styrofoam cooler into the contractor bag. Make sure it fits tightly and straight.
Now, tape the bag around the cooler, almost like wrapping a present. The more tape, the better.
Cut a hole in the bag where the hole is by making a star.
Now, stuff the house with straw to cover the floor. There should be at least 3 inches of straw. Make sure it is not hay and it is straw.
For additional decoration, you can grab a small top of a styrofoam container and put it right above the hole for a roof.
We hope this video helps keep your community cats dry and safe. Bye!